Welcome to ECTV Tries. I'm Layla.
I'm Jonah.
And I'm H. The one thing we sometimes do on Tries is we don't know what the task is until the cameras start rolling.
However, we have been given a hint. This week's hint is, want to play a game.
The most clear, obvious hint in the world,
Yeah.
Obviously. We're all aware of what this
Right.
definitely absolutely is. So
I think we're going to play a game.
I think we're playing a
That's
game.
the
Do you agree?
Yes, I wanted you to say it.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, we're playing a game.
Maybe like a
And it's definitely not a saw
board game?
trap.
Yeah.
Definitely not.
Yes.
Probably not. Maybe that's next week. Now.
That's next week's task.
Yeah, but maybe like a board game or like a card game, some kind of game.
We're playing Twister, we're playing Jenga.
It definitely says game, so.
Yeah.
Definitely says game.
So put a game in the game.
Would you like to find out what this game is?
Sure.
All right, so let's find out. Open the task.
Okay.
What is it?
The game is Upside Down. Your task will be grab the mic. That's it.
Oh,
It actually says that's it. That's crazy.
That's it.
Interesting.
That's it.
Grab the mic.
Grab the mic. So
Awesome.
in that case, we will find out what grab the mic is off camera, and we will be right back after we set up for our task.
Awesome.
Right.
Be right back.
We're back.
Let's begin.
Okay, so the rules for Grab the Mic is it's kind of like a word or a song association game. So we'll get a card where we have a certain word or phrase, and we will have to grab the mic and then sing a song with the lyrics that has that word in it. So it has to be legit, has to be real lyrics, you can't just make anything up. And whoever has the most points in the end will win.
We won't know who is the most until the very end when they announce it, and the cards are being read to us from off camera, so the word we get will not be read by any of us. We're all here at the same time. So.
It's all true and fair.
All true and fair, no cheating.
Yes, no cheating.
All right, are we ready? Are we ready to grab the mic?
Okay.
I'm
This
ready.
is so exciting.
Your first word is follow.
Follow me until the great unknown. That is from Heist by Ben Folds. That was also famously in Over the Hedge, the DreamWorks movie.
Oh.
I love Over the Hedge. Sorry.
Do we want to get a follow-up on that, or like, do I just get it?
I think you got it.
Yay! Oh my god! I'm so excited! Wow!
Awesome. Okay.
Wow, this is exciting.
Your next word is moment.
I wish that I could have this moment for life. Moment for life. Nicki Minaj.
That's a good one.
Mic drop. Soft mic drop.
Mic drop.
I knew that knowledge would get me somewhere.
It's all led up to this moment.
Moment for life. Oh,
Moment. Oh.
sorry.
Your next word is cry.
Baby, don't cry. Dang it, that's not quite what I was going for.
Baby, don't cry. What were you trying to sing?
I was trying to sing Cry Baby. I forget
By
exactly
Melanie
who.
Martinez.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
So are we
That's-
counting that?
Honestly, I don't think.
Okay, all right. Next
No.
one.
Are we doing the next? Okay. Wait. Don't
touch it. Don't touch
We didn't determine this. Can we steal if someone doesn't?
That
We're
could
just
be
doing
an
the next one.
option.
Okay, we're just
Okay.
going. Just keep going. Give you another
Okay.
one.
No.
All right, your
Martinez.
next
Okay.
word is show.
This is the greatest show! Oh, that's from The Greatest Showman. It's called The Greatest Show.
Yes, that was great.
Your next word is face.
Poker Face. Lady Gaga.
Poker
Yeah,
face. That's just the
actually
lyric. It's
I
just
know.
poker face. Wow.
I just. Yeah. I don't. It's probably a bad time to say that I'm not a big singer.
That's fair.
Your next word is lonely.
Lonely. I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody
Perfect.
for my own.
Yeah.
I know that song from Flushed Away. Another
Oh,
DreamWorks
no.
movie.
What song is it?
I think it's just called Mr. Lonely. I don't.
It's by Akon.
Okay. Wow. Sorry, Lindy. I
Akon, I love Akon.
didn't know that.
We got an Akon fan in the crowd.
Akon fan in the club.
Your next word is cool.
I'm a cool girl.
Oh, that's not what I was gonna sing.
Cool girl.
I was saying cool for the summer.
Tove I think. Or Tove? Cool girl?
Cool girl, tough
Cool?
love.
It's real.
We're
I
getting
swear.
confirmation. I'm
Okay,
taking my
this
glasses
mic's
off.
not
I
real.
can't see. Hey guys.
Thanks. It's real, guys, I swear. I promise.
The glare is bad today.
Okay. Your next word is story.
This is the story of a girl who cried her way down the whole world. I can keep going if you want me to. She told me no,
Oh.
Oh.
which
You
is
are.
fair. Cut off.
Okay.
Shut up.
We're
I was
going
thinking
to
love
level
story.
2.
Oh, okay.
We're getting tougher, guys.
This is
Oh, okay.
exciting.
I was
Right.
like, huh?
Okay, your first level 2
I have to send to this one. It's all about the he said, she said stuff. It's just one of those days.
Exactly. Yeah.
Do we like that one? That one was for Ryan up in the booth.
Word for level 2 is hot.
H-O-T-T-O-T-O. You can take me high to go. I was trying to beat you on that one.
I feel like
Do you
these
know
are
that one?
some like songs that I don't know about.
That was Chapel Row, and that one's very
Um,
popular
I should
everywhere
do
right now.
Hot in here.
Oh, that's
I
another.
decided against
That's
it.
the best part. Yeah, that's
And
right.
you also grabbed the mic.
I was too excited.
Round 2 is pretty
Okay,
hard.
moving on.
Okay.
Your next word is reason.
Just give me a reason.
Oh, I thought you
Fun
said
and so-
raisin. Like the fruit. I was like,
Is there-
raisin? Like,
is there
started with
a song
raisin, and
with
you were so quick.
Is there a song with raisin? Do we know?
I
Probably.
think that one was the Lauren Daigle, maybe.
Oh,
Like
my mom loves Lauren Daigle. I know Lauren Daigle.
Is it like,
I would, yeah.
I was thinking like the
Okay.
fun song.
Oh.
I'm like tweaking.
Phone.
It's my telephone. Not gonna telephone. It's Lady Gaga as well.
Oh yeah.
Love Lady
You know, you
Gaga.
gotta reach my telephone.
yep.
You're right. Yeah.
I was about
my
to.
God.
I was about to
Yeah.
recover from that.
Telephone.
Or we
Okay,
can't.
moving
We
on to
love
level
Lady Gaga.
3.
Oh my gosh, this is so intense.
Monster.
Did Gabby Hanna?
I
no.
What? How does the song go?
I don't know how the song goes.
Okay.
You touching it? again.
Carneal the monster.
Okay, good. That works as
remember
well.
it.
Does monsters plural count?
Are we counting that?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah.
China and McLean? Is that her name?
Yeah, calling all the monsters,
Ant
China
Farm.
McLean. Ant Farm.
Mic drop.
Mic drop. That was a good one. A
Calling
mic
all the
drop.
mon-
That's what.
great
Yeah, that's wow.
It's on the radio.
All right, your next word is solo.
Little-
I'm so low. I'm riding so low. I'm
Jason
playing.
Derulo.
Yeah, Jason Derulo.
That's crazy.
Wow.
My brother used to say like, "Oh, that's your theme song" when he would play.
That wow.
Your next word is stand.
I'm still standing. Yeah. Does
That's-
that count? Does that
yeah,
count?
does that also count? Stand, but standing.
Standing.
Is standing? Does that count?
I think you're good. Yes.
I think that should count.
That is
yeah.
the
Perfect.
one
The word
song that
stand
I
is within
actually
there.
got through.
And sing is
I was
a
gonna use
great.
Give
stand
me
by
this.
me. Stand
Sing
by
is like,
me.
oh, I was gonna do get up, stand up.
Oh wow, look at us go. See, there's so many. Wow.
The brain is like,
Yeah.
so.
All right. Your next word is box.
Ooh,
Box?
Box. Oh, I know one, but it's a parody, and I cannot say.
Yeah, that's.
Okay.
most of the words from that. Blank.
Like the Domingo
Okay.
song.
3, 2, 1. No one got box.
No.
The Box by Roddy Ricch.
Yeah.
Oh.
But like I don't know the.
I don't.
Oh, okay, I know the part. I was thinking like,
Okay.
and that's all I
Your
got.
next word is mama.
Mama, I'm in love with the criminal. Thanks, Layla.
Yeah.
Backup vocals here. Yay!
Your next word is fragile.
The heck?
Oh,
I
does
am
it?
thinking of something, but I don't remember what's.
That's like hard.
I'm also thinking "Break Stuff" by Limp Bizkit, but that does not actually have the lyrics. But that's where my brain's going. This is one of those days.
No one
Orange
took
thing?
that one.
Oh.
Oh.
Sucked.
Nope.
Your next word is don't.
Oh my gosh! Why can I?
Ah. Oh wait, I might have
Bruh.
have something.
Don't play with it, don't be this
Don't
silence.
Bryson Tiller.
Don't Bryson. Oh, that's like
Don't.
called "Don't."
Yeah. I thought about "Don't" by Ed Sheeran. I'm still holding this. I
Yeah.
thought about Ed Sheeran,
Mic
but I
drop,
don't know the
but I
words.
gently place it down instead.
Your next word is ride.
Ride like the wind, ride like the wind. Dun, 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 dun,
Who,
Yeah.
dun, dun,
who does
dun,
that
dun.
song? It's like a.
I know this song. I don't know who sings it.
That's
That's
also
one
in,
of the-
that's also in Sing. That's also in Sing.
Yeah. Ride like the wind.
Good work.
I like the wind.
Your next word is bin.
Bin.
B-E-E-N.
B-
Like,
Since you've been gone.
Hmm.
I'm gonna put that
Pitch
clip of Kelly
perfect.
Clarkson and Anne Hathaway from the show. If she doesn't know her own song, I love that
Oh
clip.
yes.
My
okay.
favorite piece of media on the internet currently.
That's
your
what it is.
your next word is summer.
When I met you in the summer.
I was just thinking that.
I was thinking Summer Lovin' from Greece, but
Oh,
Hmm.
I was thinking of a song from regular show
We
too.
have the results.
Oh!
The results
Okay.
are in.
That was
The
quick.
game is over. It's giving Squid Game.
Yay!
I'm scared. Okay.
Red light.
I can tell by
Jonah
my
has
way.
4.
Yeah.
4.
Layla has 5.
Even Stevens.
Layla has 5. And our winner is H with
Wow!
11.
Wow! I'm so annoying. I would just like to thank my dad for my music taste, my mom for my music taste, and all of my elementary school teachers for my music taste. Thank you.
Can I say a few words? I wanted to shout out my mom who
Layla's
gave me
mom!
this gift, this little game in the mail. So thanks, Mom. Thank you, Geraldine. Really appreciate it.
My
What-
name is
any thoughts?
Geraldine.
Yeah. She named after her
After
saint.
this, I am going to study a bit more on songs so that I can
Okay.
actually revive myself, hopefully.
Future rematch. Who knows?
Yes.
Yep.
Who knows?
Maybe.
So, wow, this was epic.
Yeah. So that wraps it up for this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I'm Layla.
I'm Jonah.
And I'm H. Thank you so much for watching ECTV Tries.
Hey.
Bye.